This is the ingredient paper collection from Authentique, and I have to tell you, Lene flipped over it. She loves all of the imagery, very much cooking, and so that's very fun. You can see snapshots of them, but I wanted to show you what they look like. So again, they're going to be 15 sheets. Now this is unusual in that each sheet is different, so you're going to get one of each. They are, however, all double-sided, so you can see. So red, white, blue, and black are the color combinations. Can you see the knives and the forks crossed in this? There you go. Maybe you can see it there. And on the flip side, just a really fun small dot. Then we have a bigger sheet. These are all actually 12 by 12, but this sheet is a collage of kitchen charts and so forth. And I'm going to flip it over so you can see all of the words on the back. Looks very much like some restaurants, doesn't it? Here are some fun images of women cooking and baking, keeping that same color combination. And on the back side, we have an all-over pattern. Then this, I seem to go from large to small, don't I? Sorry, Houston, just keep going back and forth. I hope you don't get dizzy. So you can see this stack of pots and pans, very colorful, very fun on a black background. I'm going to flip it over. He's backing up. You can see these small flowers all over. Certainly looks like a tablecloth, as you might remember it. And on the back side, we have an all-over pattern of florals. Now we're getting into the barnyard with pigs and calves, and going to flip it over so you can see this all-over pattern. Then we've got chickens separately and fried, and the eggs on the other side. So ready, it looks to me like they're sunny side up. And then we have kitchen utensils and pots and pans and mixers and all sorts. And then on the back side, you've got all of the spatulas in a tone-on-tone. Very much with what Authentique does is they include two papers that will bridge all of the others. Generally as a tone-on-tone, stripe on one side, dot on the other. In a red this time, you get two of those. You also get a couple of sheets like this. So they are large cutouts. They'll be perfect for scrapbooking. You can use them for card making. Very, very fun. A pinch of this and a dash of that. And these are also double-sided just in case you can't use all of those images. And here is another sheet. So this is quite a unique paper pack in that you get so many of these die cuts, or excuse me, so many of these cutouts. Now this is recipes, so you can trim these out and actually tuck them in to your card or your scrapbook page. And then we have all of these. Now these are stickers this time, and this is the ingredient paper pack. So this is going to have over 50 stickers. So you can see these very retro looking stickers, very fun. I do like today's menu. You can take it or you can leave it, you know, your choice, or you can just roll with it. So very fun. So this is quite a unique paper collection from Authentique. And let me show you some things that could go with it. Now we do have from Bo Bunny these rhinestones, and these are the ruby red ones, so obviously they're going to go. We also have from Buttons Galore, these are the Love Heart sparklets. And then we also have these ocean wave sparklets. So just to let you know that there are things that will coordinate that are right here at Paper Wishes.